Hey, what's up guys? So welcome to another edition of Load Up Crypto. In today's video, I'm really going to be focusing on Gala. We did put a video out last week or so ago where we looked at the nodes that Gala has coming up. So with the music nodes, the movie nodes, and just some information about the collaborations that they've got going on. So yeah, it really makes it a interesting coin. Definitely one that I'm investing in for the future. So yeah, let's get straight into it. If we start off by looking at the market as a whole, global cryptocurrency market cap today is up 1.4% versus yesterday. So we're currently at pretty much around 1 trillion. In terms of the top 10 coins, you can see most of the movement there is in Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 24 hours. So Bitcoin is back around that 20,000 level. Ethereum is back around that 1.5k level ahead of the merge, which is in around 15 or 16 days or so. So yeah, it's looking positive there, although yeah, still kind of got some room to go to the upside, hopefully ahead of the merge. So, but yeah, we'll see what happens from there. But overall, last 24 hours, the market is up. So if we look at Gala, currently trading at a market cap, which puts it in position of 109 in terms of the whole crypto space. So let's take a look at that. So it's trading at 0.05 cents at the moment, which is 0.3% up on 24 hours. And if we look at the last 7 days, it's kind of been around that 0.052 level, and now it's at 0.051. There has been ups and downs, so it has kind of reached 0.056 and a low of 0.049. So yeah, there has been a bit of a swing up and down, but generally that's the market as a whole. So the crypto market in the last kind of 7 days has been a bit unstable. But if we look at the all-time high, 82 cents, so we're still 93% off that level, which I definitely believe that Gala will eventually hit and supersede as well. So yeah, it's one that I've got on my radar to accumulate whilst the prices are low. Yeah, so if we have a look at the charts, so I'm looking at the Gala USDT on a daily. Just going to zoom in a little bit here. So currently we're trading at these levels, 0.05 previous resistance. So if I put in a trend line, previous resistance level was around here at 0.48 roughly, that looks like. So we kind of hit that level, we hit that level back in July, and then we kind of bounced up there, and then since then we've been on a kind of downward trajectory, and yeah, we could potentially hit that level again depending on which way the market turns. But yeah, it looks like there's a lot of support at that 0.47 level, but we've got a green candle at the moment, so potentially we could be looking at, if I put in another trend line here, we could kind of be looking at maybe this level that we go up to. So we've tested that level before previously, so they're tested it kind of twice or so. We could potentially hit that 0.057 level and either come back down to 0.48 depending on which way the market goes, or we could potentially go up or all the way to that 0.07 mark, which looks like potentially the next kind of level for resistance. Well, actually the 0.06 and then the 0.07. But as there is kind of uncertainty in the market, I'm definitely just kind of looking to DCA in at the moment. Prices are low, so it's always a good opportunity to buy and just kind of hold out until we really start accelerating and know which way the market's going to be moving in. I'm just going to add in another indicator here. So I like to use the Bollinger Bands with the stochastic. Generally, this is an indicator of showing when the market is overbought or oversold. So in these instances where we're trading outside of the Bollinger Bands, the market is overbought, and where we're trading outside of the Bollinger Bands at the bottom levels, the market is oversold. And you can kind of stack that up with the stochastic, so overbought and oversold. So generally, you know, both of them together, when you look at them together, kind of gives you a bit of confirmation of when to buy and sell. You can see here, 20th of August, we went outside of that Bollinger Band, so it's generally a good indication to you know, to start buying. And we did see a bit of a upwards trend at that point, although we dropped then below again, but we're still currently, we're not outside of that Bollinger Band at the moment. But hopefully this green candle can get us all the way back up to that 0.057 or 0.058 level, and potentially we can see an upward trend from that point onwards. So yeah, as I said, this is definitely not financial advice, but you know, at the moment I'm definitely looking to DCA for Gala because of all of the collaborations that they've got going on, and just generally what they're doing in the space at the moment. Yeah, so then I started to look at some of the new collaborations that they've got going on. So if I look here, so you can see Bone Thugs and Harmony coming to Gala Music. So that was 4 days ago. That's pretty big. You know, Bone Thugs, I've always been a bit of a fan of them. They made some old school classic hip hop music, and yeah, it's great to see that they're joining the likes of Ice Cube, Snoop Dogg, Too Short, E40 by coming over to the Gala music space. So yeah, excited about that. And I've also just kind of had a look at some of the news at the moment for Gala. So just kind of price predictions there. What is Gala? Can gaming tokens? So yeah, there's just a lot of news here. Gala Games announces launch date for Spider Tanks. So that was 1 hour ago. Let's have a look at. Let's maybe have a look and see what that is. To Gala Games leader Web3. Planet knows will be operated, developed, award-winning Netherlands game. So developed by award-winning Netherlands-based game media, the futuristic esports tank game is free to play. So it looks like, yeah, they're partnering again from the gaming side of things with the likes of Spider Tanks, who seems to be an award-winning Netherlands-based, you know, organization. So yeah, they are definitely moving in the right direction there. Like I said, they've got a lot of partnerships going on at the moment, and they are literally like, you know, a coin that I've got on my list to DCA and kind of buy the shit out of, to be honest. But again, this is just my opinion, not financial advice, and yeah, it's just one that I'm kind of interested in and excited about, to be honest. So yeah, but that's pretty much the end of the video for Gala. Just giving you an update really on which way I think the prices could be headed, and what we potentially could be seeing in the future. And I really hope you enjoyed the video. I mean, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll continue to bring the content out there for you guys. And peace out to the next video. Thanks a lot.